What's up, guys? 7-Star Mike here with an explanation of why options flow is so awesome. Today I had a 50% gain in less than an hour, and the coolest thing is I don't even know what this company does. Let's take a look at PCOR and compare it to the checklist. Aggressive buying. Now this is $497,000 above the ask sweep, and the size of this trade completely took out the OI. So that right there is aggressive buying. That single line, that's all we need to see. When I entered the trade, it was after this third line, so I did see a little bit more, but just that one line by itself is pretty aggressive. Specific contract, repeatedly buying the same contract. These are all the $12, $20, $80 calls. So everything you see on the screen here is repeated buying in the same contract. Contract price increasing. Now remember, I bought it on the third line here, so the contract price went from 99 to 107 to 110. It did go up to 120 after that, and you can see it did go even further beyond that. But when I saw it here at 110, it already hit 99 to 107 to 110, so contract price increasing. These are mostly ask side sweeps. There's that one bid in there, but that doesn't scare me. No solo blocks, meaning this isn't a single trade that happens to be a block. There's multiple trades here, mostly ask side sweeps, and significant dollar amount, $500,000 going into something that expires relatively quickly. That's a pretty significant dollar amount, especially on a name that I don't recall seeing a ton of flow on. Now let's go take a look at the chart. So I like this name because we had resistance here, resistance here, resistance here, and we punched through that level today. Let's go to the 1 day. This is today. So you can see here in the morning, this is where it punched through that level. Now I have a target up here at 74.21. HOD was 74.11, so 10 cents off of that. And if you guys have seen my prior videos, you know I do close things just before they reach a target in case they want to retrace without actually hitting the target. And that's exactly what this one did. So support and resistance isn't necessarily an exact line. It can be a zone. So I do tend to close my trades as they're approaching a target, not necessarily hitting that target. And let's go back to the daily chart. This support level here was kind of a resistance over here. So that was my first target. That's where I got that 74.21 from. And you can see, again, as we pull in today, it went within 10 cents of that and then started trailing off. And let's take a look at some trade confirms. There is the trade confirmation room in our Discord group. There's the flow that I followed. There's the confirmation. That's showing the exact same contract. Buy to open 110, sell to close 165. That's a 50% gain. And Kiwi followed as well. She got in at 110 also, and same exit 165. That is a 50% gain. And that's how we do it with options flow.